General Motors automobile error codes. Code P1271. App sensor 1-2 performance. Code P1272. Accelerator pedal position sensor 2. Code P1273. Accelerator pedal position sensor 1. Code P1274. Injectors wired incorrectly. Code P1275. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 1 circuit. Code P1276. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 1 performance. Code P1277. Accelerator pedal position sensor 1 circuit low voltage. Code P1278. Accelerator pedal position sensor 1 circuit high voltage. Code P1280. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 2 circuit. Code P1281. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 2 performance. Code P1282. Accelerator pedal position sensor 2 circuit low voltage. Code P1283. Accelerator pedal position sensor 2 circuit high voltage. Code P1285. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 3 circuit. Code P1286. Accelerator pedal position app sensor 3 performance. Code P1287. Accelerator pedal position sensor 3 circuit low voltage. Code P1288. Accelerator pedal position sensor 3 circuit high voltage. Code P1300. Igniter circuit. Code P1305. Ignition coil 2 primary feedback circuit. Code P1310. Ignition coil 3 primary feedback circuit. Code P1315. Ignition coil 4 primary feedback circuit. Code P1320. IC module 4X ref circuit intermittent. No pulses. Code P1321. Electronic ignition system fault line. Code P1322. EI system or ignition control missing. Code P1323. 24X reference circuit low frequency. Code P1324. Crank RPM too low. Code P1335. CKP circuit. Code P1336. Crankshaft position CKP system variation not learned. Code P1345. CKP. CMP correlation. Code P1346. Intake camshaft position CMP sensor system performance. Code P1350. Ignition control system. Code P1351. IC circuit high voltage. Code P1352. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .2. Code P1353. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .3. Code P1354. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .4. Code P1355. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .5. Code P1356. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .6. Code P1357. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .7. Code P1358. IC output high. Pulse detected when grounded SIL .8. Code P1359. Ignition control circuit group A. Code P1360. Ignition control circuit group B. Code P1361. IC circuit low voltage. Code P1362. IC cylinder 2 not toggling after enable. Code P1363. IC cylinder 3 not toggling after enable. Code P1364. IC cylinder 4 not toggling after enable. Code P1365. IC cylinder 5 not toggling after enable. Code P1366. IC cylinder 6 not toggling after enable. Code P1367. IC cylinder 7 not toggling after enable. Code P1368. IC cylinder 8 not toggling after enable. Code P1370. IC module 4X reference circuit. Too many pulses. Code P1371. Die low resolution circuit. Code P1372. Crankshaft position sensor circuit performance. Code P1374. 3X reference circuit. Code P1375. 24X reference circuit high voltage. Code P1376. Ignition ground circuit. Code P1377. IC module cam pulse to 4X reference pulse comparison. Code P1380. Misfire detected rough road data not available. Code P1381. Misfire detected, no communication with brake control module. Code P1390. Wheel speed sensor 1. G sensor circuit. Code P1391. Wheel speed sensor 1. G sensor circuit performance. Code P1392. Wheel speed sensor 1. G sensor circuit low voltage. Code P1393. Wheel speed sensor 1. G sensor circuit high voltage. Code P1394. Wheel speed sensor 1. G sensor circuit intermittent. Code P1404. Exhaust gas recirculation system valve 2. Code P1405. Exhaust gas recirculation system valve 3. Code P1406. EGR valve pintle position circuit. Code P1407. EGR air intrusion in exhaust supply to EGR valve. Code P1408. Intake manifold pressure sensor circuit. Code P1409. EGR vacuum system leak. Code P1410. Fuel tank pressure system. Code P1415. Secondary air injection air system. Code P1416. Air system bank 1. Code P1418. Secondary air injection system relay control circuit high. Code P1420. Intake air low pressure switch circuit low voltage. Code P1421. Intake air low pressure switch circuit high voltage. Code P1423. Intake air high pressure switch circuit high voltage. Code P1431. Fuel level sensor 2 performance. Code P1432. Fuel level sensor 2 circuit low voltage. Code P1433. Fuel level sensor 2 circuit high voltage. Code P1441. Evaporative emission evap system flow during non-purge. Code P1442. Evap vacuum switch high voltage during ignition on. Code P1450. Barometric pressure sensor circuit. Code P1451. Barometric pressure sensor performance. Code P1460. Cooling fan control system. Code P1480. Cooling fan 1 control circuit high. Code P1483. Engine cooling system performance. Code P1500. Starter signal circuit. Code P1501. Vehicle speed sensor circuit intermittent. Code P1502. Theft deterrent system no password received. Code P1503. Theft deterrent system password incorrect. Code P1504. Vehicle speed output circuit. Code P1508. IAC system low RPM. Code P1395. Wheel speed sensor 2. G sensor circuit. Code P1396. Wheel speed sensor 2. G sensor circuit performance. Code P1397. Wheel speed sensor 2. G sensor circuit low voltage. Code P1398. Wheel speed sensor 2. G sensor circuit high voltage. Code P1399. Wheel speed sensor 2. G sensor circuit intermittent. Code P1403. Exhaust gas recirculation system valve 1.